how to create a new account on FOXTEL GO. Hi everyone, in this following video I'm going to show you the ways to create a new account on FOXTEL GO. So in order to create an account, you have to make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. Now then, to begin with, open up a browser or an application. Either way, the procedure is going to remain the same. On the web address bar, type in www.foxtel.com.au. I'll make sure to drop the link on my description box below as well. And when you press on the link, it's going to directly take you to the official web page of FOXTEL GO, which is going to look something like this. While you're on this page, click the login button from the top and then select the account that you wish to go with. So I'm going to go with FOXTEL. When you press on it, it's going to take you to the login or sign up field. If you already have an account, you can go ahead and enter in your credential and log in into your account. However, if you don't have an account, then you can just go ahead and select either one of it. That is either to new to FOXTEL or whether you have not registered for FOXTEL ID. So first of all, go with FOXTEL or get FOXTEL, and when you do that, it's going to take you to the page where you need to go to the plans and premium subscription and all that. If you're sure about it, click on get FOXTEL located right at the bottom. Now it's going to take you to the field where you need to go ahead and enter in your personal information, your contact details, and all sort of information in order to register for FOXTEL.com. So here you have to select the premium plan. First of all, whichever is convenient for you, select that and move on to the information or registration section. So that's basically how you can create a FOXTEL account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.